Hey there, marketing pros! Ever wondered how digital marketing can skyrocket your sales? Well, buckle up because I'm about to break it down for you. First off, let's talk about the power of SEO. Search engine optimization. It's not just a buzzword, it's your golden ticket to visibility. Think about it. When your website ranks higher on Google, more people see it. More eyes on your content means more potential customers. Simple, right? Next up, social media marketing. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn aren't just for selfies and memes. They're powerful tools for engaging with your audience. Post consistently, share valuable content, and interact with your followers. You'll build trust and, more importantly, brand loyalty. Now, let's dive into email marketing. Some say email is dead, but let me tell you, it's very much alive. Craft personalized emails, segment your audience, and offer value. You'll see those open rates soar, and conversions follow suit. Oh, and don't forget about content marketing. Blogs, videos, podcasts, whatever your medium, content is king. Create content that educates, entertains, and inspires your audience. The more value you provide, the more they'll trust you. And lastly, analytics. Data is your best friend. Track your campaigns, analyze the results, and tweak where necessary. Understanding what works and what doesn't is crucial for continuous improvement. So, there you have it. SEO, social media, email, content, and analytics. Master these, and you'll see your sales skyrocket in no time. Remember, the digital world is constantly evolving, so keep learning and adapting. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck with your digital marketing journey. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Catch you next time.